Andito kami dahil napakalaking problema ang dinadanas ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Siquijor dahil nga sa kakulangan ng pag-provide ng kuryente, ng power. At nagkaroon ng sitwasyon na napakahaba ng blackout. Kung minsan yung mga ibang residences, may kuryente sila 2 oras lang, 5 oras lang sa isang araw. Kaya binago na namin yun. So because it is this situation, the people are the ones, the victims of this situation are the ordinary people of Siquijor. And they cannot go about their business. Yung pa naman, Siquijor is growing so quickly at nagiging tourist destination ng Siquijor. They are losing that opportunity to develop dahil nga dito sa kakulangan ng kuryente. Kaya ang ginawa natin, at least in the short term. In the short term, nagpapunta tayo rito ng mga genset, na malalaking genset, 2 genset galing Palawan, na naayos naman yung problema doon, kaya pwede nang dalhin dito. That will, the gensets are arriving tonight and tomorrow. So, pagka naikabit na yon at mapaandar na yon, kompleto na ang supply. But this is a temporary, that will be a temporary solution. Kailangan natin makahanap ng permanent solution para yung SIPCOR ay yung kanilang commitment para mag-provide ng kuryente sa tao to the cooperative. The cooperative is paying SIPCOR properly. At we have to coordinate the different power plants nga sa ngayon hindi pa nagagawa. Ito nga, kung titignan natin itong planta, medyo hindi masyadong magandang maintenance. Kaya nakikita natin paano nangyari ito na hanggang ngayon hindi tayo makapag-garantiya ng full service ng ating kuryente. So for our short-term solution, yun na nga, yung 2 genset. Tapos we have given ourselves, sa usapan namin, we have given ourselves a deadline of 6 months for this short-term solution. By 6 months from now, we will then impose whatever new arrangements that we have to do so that 6 months from now, we do not have to resort to the emergency gensets. Now we have to think about fuel supply. Now we have to think about the development of even the transmission lines. We also have to make sure that the generators are working properly. Lahat ito kailangan natin maayos. We have to do this.